Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove backseat GMC Sierra, easy method. Start by clearing the floor and folding the rear seat backs so you can reach mounting bolts easily. Check under the seat for 2 main bolts and a central latch, then use a 15mm socket to loosen bolts while supporting the bench. Carefully lift the seat upward and forward to release clips and remove it safely. Gather simple tools and approach the seat removal calmly and confidently. You will need a 15mm socket, ratchet, and extension to reach bolts tucked under trim. A flat pry tool helps free plastic clips without damage, and a small flashlight reveals hidden fasteners. Always wear gloves and eye protection to protect hands and eyes when pulling connectors and lifting the heavy bench out of the cabin. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle I used on this job. It keeps drinks cold and fits in cup holders while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With tools ready, support the bench while you loosen bolts so it does not drop suddenly. Remove the 2 main bolts and tilt the seat forward to reach rear latches and any wiring harnesses for heated seats. Disconnect electrical plugs by pressing their tabs and gently pulling, then lift the seat up and out once all fasteners are free. Keep bolts and clips organized for a smooth reinstall later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.